What's up, YouTube? So today, guess what I got? Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Okay, so let me set y'all right there. Y'all know how it do when it do, and y'all know what it is when I get in that one mode. Yeah. Anyways, though, so I got this from Amazon. Clearly, of course, you can see. And drum roll, please. I got me a camera. Look at it, y'all. Okay, and this camera, I'm gonna put this on my I can't think of the name right now, but I'm gonna put it on something. I'm gonna put the words on the screen. So I got this camera, and it was only 108 after tax. Just the little digital manual that come with it to tell me how to work it. So let's see what comes in here. So we have, okay, so this is the camera. Oh, it's cute. Look at it. It come in like packaged up in a little, okay, look at them. And a little satin bag. All right, okay. Oh, my dumb ass got it upside down. Get into it. Yeah. Do not play with that girl, because I am not one of them. Okay, this is nice. I don't got no roaches or nothing. So that's the camera. I'm going to get back to that in 1 second. Let me finish unboxing it. Okay. All right. So it comes with, what is this? Okay, this is a charger thing for the battery. Okay, yeah. And then it comes with a memory card, 32 gigabytes. Why would they send me that low ass number? But it is what it is. I'm not complaining. It say accessory. Can y'all see it? This look nice. I like this. I'm the only person to get excited over a camera. And so what? Beat me up. Okay, so in this box, it has, what the fuck? This, okay, this is, I believe this is a HDMI cord. No, it said HD cord. I'm guessing so when I need to upload the stuff. Yeah, it's an HD cord. So when I need to upload the stuff to the computer or whatever I'm going to edit it on, I need to give me a MacBook or iPad. And this is the charger for the charger cord thing to charge the battery. And then it comes with 2 batteries. 1 and 2. Yep, 2 batteries. Very convenient. It comes with the what's this called, y'all? The lens cover. Yep, a lens cover, and it comes with a little strap, so you know I don't drop it when I'm in public. That I strap onto the camera. So it comes with that, and then okay. It come with a little rag so I can wipe my lens off. All right. Oh. Yeah. I got a whole lot of those because y'all know I wear glasses. And if you didn't know, now you know. And then this is, what is this? Let me open it up and see. Oh, this is a wall piece. A block. Yeah. It come with the handy dandy 1 2 1 2 1 2. And that's just one period. So now let me see if one of these batteries is charged up so I can give y'all the quality of the camera. Because let's really get into it. Go big or go home. And if you don't got your YouTube camera, what are you doing? Because they only $100. I even seen some that was like $80. Yes, I seen some that was like $80. That's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna put it on my so I became an Amazon influencer, and I need to start posting the stuff that I bought from Amazon on my account so y'all can see it and go shop. Because I buy a lot from Amazon and I don't be adding it to my account, but I'm gonna start adding it because why not, right? Yeah, why not? I know. So let's figure out how to put this battery in. I think this is the way. Oh, Lord, y'all. Don't mind me. I promise I'm not as slow as I probably look right now. How the hell do I get this up in there? Oh, my God. Y'all, the battery don't... Oh, there you go. And I'm putting it in backwards. Okay, there we go. Oh, battery in. Don't play with me. Now, let's see. Let me see. Let me take this little plastic thing off the lamps. Okay, and it's off the camera. The little plastic thing is on the camera. So, let's see. Oh, okay. And then, okay, it opens up. So, then when I need to... I can still see myself. Let's see. I'll turn this on, y'all. Oh, there you go. Oh, say, look at that. This is nice. Okay, so let's see. How do I like zoom in and fix the lighting to it? Okay, let me see. Hold on, y'all. I gotta fix this brightening. How do I do that? Oh, Lord, y'all. I do not know how to work a camera. This is giving... What am I even clicking? Maybe that's a flash. I don't know. Maybe I should have looked at the user manual, huh? Yeah, maybe I should have. Okay, this is how I fix the brightness. I mean the brightness. Okay, and it focused in. Do not play with that girl. Okay, so the quality is good. I gotta figure out the algorithm though, because if I go over here, then I'm out the camera. But if I come over here, what's up, y'all? I need to. Why is it like that? Y'all, how do I fix that? I'm asking y'all like y'all can respond to me. I don't know. Help a sister out, please, Jesus. Okay, that's what I was doing. I was clicking the wrong thing, y'all. And y'all didn't even tell me. So what's really the... Okay, yeah, it look way better now. Pushing P. Yeah, don't play with me. Oop, don't listen to that. That's my stomach and I am hungry. Mind your business. Not mine. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, shit. That's too bright. Hell yeah, that's way too bright. Let me fix that. Let me get that together. Y'all hear her cursing me out? She not cursing me out. She's just talking. My girl just is talking. That's about all. I'm trying to figure this out, y'all. How do I... Oh! She's so damn rude. Why would she just kick all my stuff on the ground like that? And then you're going to try to lean up and see what you did. You kicked my stuff down. Don't have kids. It's ghetto. And you heard it here first, okay? Don't have them. It's ghetto. So now if you have them and I done already told you not to, you on your own, sister. All right, sister. I don't know what this is right here. But let me put that back on there before I lose this little piece, because Lord knows it'd be missing in a minute. Let me not say that. USB mic. Y'all, how the hell do I put the SIM card in? What the hell? Oh, it must go right. Oh my God, y'all, look. It go right at the bottom, and I'm sitting here just lost. Okay. Yeah, and SIM card in. I mean, SD card in. Don't play with me. Play with your mama. Thank you. Play with your mammy. Thank you. How did I do this? Like, I don't want it. Maybe I gotta turn it off. Because it's very bright. And it's still bright. Like, that didn't make it no better. How do I do this? Alright, because you know what? Because at this point, I'm ready to beat the fucking camera the fuck up. What the fuck? Okay, I think they made it better. Let me see. Let me see. God, Jesus. So y'all, I think I'm gonna get my card tomorrow. I was gonna wait until next week, but why? What's the point? Right? Okay. Okay, and this is how I record. And right now it said it is 1:39. That loud ass train. Y'all, I'm really trying to get it together because I'm really so confused on how I even use this. Well, not how I use it, but how do I even... Okay. There we go. Now let me see. I'm finna start recording. And I'm recording. Hey, y'all. Yeah. Welcome to my vlog. And look. I was vlogging on the phone. Now I got a camera. Yep. Big teams. All 2023. Yep. And then I'm going to insert this clip from this camera onto... well, I'm going to insert it in there so y'all can see it. Oh, I thought they did something and it don't. Oh, maybe it do it. It don't do nothing. Like, what the hell? I don't think turning this does a damn motherfucking thing. Hey, y'all. Don't mind my room in the back. Mind your motherfucking business unless you gonna come and clean it. Until then, shut up. But yeah. So that was that. And I'm gonna get my tripod probably soon. Yeah, I'm gonna get it real soon because I feel like me being me, I know myself, and I will drop this camera quick as hell. But let me knock on some wood so I don't jinx myself. Yeah, because that's crazy as hell if I do that. And okay, yep, so this is the little lens thing. And the way that you get it on is, I don't have a fuck clue. Oh, that's how you do it. Real simple, real easy. Then you can't see a damn thing. Then you take it off just like that. Real simple, real easy. I need to get me a camera case. But I'm going to get back to y'all because it's going to be a 16-minute vlog. and ears. Unless, yeah, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it today. Bless you, baby. Bless you. I'm gonna post it today. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to finish figuring out how to do this. And if I figure something else out and vlog it on this camera, then I will just insert it into the video, of course, just so y'all can see. And yeah, peace out.